Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My lips are dry. Why do I always do that? So today we are back with a hair video. Today's hair video, we are working with a company called Hairvivi. So this is the box the wig came in. This wig, this is a lace wig. It is a 18-inch lace wig with a frontal. So guys, normally I don't really do all of this talking, but I really had to come and show you what is up with this wig. I'm gonna need you to take a look at this. I'm just gonna put my hand here so you guys can really understand and like see. This is how the wig came, guys. Like, I'm not joking with you. Like, I'm actually not joking with you. Not already bleached. What? Can you just look at this? Quite a few reviews of this wig company, and I watched a couple of videos of people who reviewed the same wig as I'm holding now, and I thought that I would have to pluck the wig a little bit more, not too much but just a little bit. Guys, I'm wearing it like this, by the way. Like, I don't have to pluck it, I don't have to bleach the knots, everything is done. But truthfully, I just had to come and show you guys how gorgeous this is. I wish the hair was a little bit darker. So I'll show you all the things that the wig came with. It came with these like grips. It came with optional lace. Yes, I think they actually sent me optional lace, guys. This is what it looks like. So this one, it says it fits most skin tones, cappuccino color. So it's like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a light lace. So I think they give you additional lace to that you can sew on this part of the wig if this one is too light or too dark, but that one fits me perfectly, so I'm not changing it. Then this one is like a darker color, as you can see, fits most skin tones, mocha color. Then this one is a regular Wig Cap Fabric, and this is in a dark brown. Can you guys see that? And we have a regular Wig Cap Fabric, and this is in light brown. Hairvivi is giving us options. They are giving us diversity. They are giving us range. They are giving us things that most makeup brands cannot do. This is not just a regular ass hair video. Like, Hairvivi did not come to play. And then they sent me a that was actually installed on the wig cap, a elastic band, but I actually took that off because I think the wig is too small for me, but we're gonna make it work. This is what I'm talking about. How can the wig come like this? How can the wig come like this? How can she? In other words, the love I got to give is certified. I give it the top best longest time for ride, girl. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. See you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal. I think about you all
they're ready to really get to life. Telling me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night, I make her get to down provide. But I grip for run the ship, me now go slip, me now go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. I give it the toughest, longest type of ride, girl.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. My fantasy,
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. See you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, what's the deal?
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Baby boy, you are so damn fine. Baby boy, won't you be mine? Baby boy, let's conceive an angel. Oh, my baby's my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go.
Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and installed the wig on my head, and I actually cut the ends of the hair just to layer it a bit and kind of like bumped the ends. Like, this hair is so silky. I was gonna put a curl in it, but I wasn't even sure whether it would even hold a curl. So there's that. We have the finished result. This is the install. What are you guys thinking? I do a lot of hair videos, okay? Sometimes I recommend some hair, sometimes I don't. I am here telling you as Lisa Gemide that I 100% vouch for this hair, okay? And my stamp of approval might not be much, but for those that it is, guys, I cannot kid you. Look at this. I kid you not. That's what I'm not doing, okay? I'm not kidding you. Guys, are y'all deep in this? Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? What? Y'all not gonna say nothing? I even checked the prices yesterday. So for the longest length, I believe it's like $350 something. The longest length is actually 22, which is $300 and something, which is like about like just under £300, I think it is, or something like that. I don't know what the conversion rate is right now, okay? For £300 for a wig that you literally do not have to do nothing to, like, I literally took it out of the box and put it on. I just diagonally cut it, so I would just have like a cute, like, kind of mid-length thing going on. Guys, like, look. Not one strand. I'm running my hands. It's literally so soft, I can't feel it. I'm telling you now, no hair company can pay me enough money to promote this wig how I'm promoting this wig now. I told my sister to get this wig. I'm telling you guys right now, my friends, my subscribers, my peoples, please go and get this wig. I'm so impressed with this wig. For me personally, this wig is too small. I know it doesn't look it, but I don't know whether you guys can see that. I usually like to have my frontal a little bit forward, like at least here, just because I have a large forehead. So obviously, knowing the size of my head, I should have asked for a larger wig, so a size large instead of a medium. So this is a medium. So for all of you who have similar oblong big heads like mine, please do go a size up so you're not disappointed. But that is literally, and that's not even a complaint because that was my fault, this is the best hair I've received ever. All the links for this hair will be in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.